English language programs are goal-oriented and focused on success, and you're there for them every step of the way. But many programs aren't a good fit for their university's enrollment, registration, student progress, and financial systems. Several schools have partnered with CIMES to develop customized program management systems that are a perfect fit for their stakeholders. These role-based systems provide the right tools for applicants, students, instructors, and staff to manage all aspects of their program, collecting information and documents from prospective students, student check-in and class assignments, progress tracking and alerts, tracking student charges, invoices, and payments, aggregate student evaluation and financial reports, session and class management, including books, instructor, and room assignments. The CIMES Consulting Center at Florida State University develops customized and integrated solutions for organizations to efficiently manage the life cycle of their program and business processes. CIMES will work with you to develop a user-friendly system tailored to fit your program's needs. Your students are unique. Your program is unique. Isn't it time for a management system that truly meets your needs? When you're ready to take a leap forward, look to the experience and innovation at CIMES.